Make a great choice today with the 2020 CX-30. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive 2.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, driver attention alert system, airbags, front knee, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio digital sound processing, audio internet radio, Stitcher, audio internet radio, AHA. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.